Hey, I'm Julie B from the Toggle product team, and I'm going to help you gain an appreciation for depreciation.
Julie, how do insurance companies replace what's lost or broken?
When insurance companies replace your covered items that are damaged or stolen, they don't replace it in the literal sense. We don't have a secret cloning machine. Not yet. Instead, we give you the amount of money you need to replace it yourself. That amount is either actual cash value, known as ACV, or replacement cost value, known as RCV.
They sound really similar. Is there a difference?
Oh yeah, there's definitely a difference between RCV and ACV, and it's more than just a letter. Let's say you toggled on technology coverage to protect something you bought 5 years ago for $1,000, and now that thing is only worth $500. That's what you'd get with actual cash value. And hey, $500 isn't bad, but here's the wrinkle. Buying a new version of that thing today would cost you $1,500. If you have replacement cost coverage and that thing you bought gets stolen, we'll reimburse you the amount you need to replace it with a shiny new one, rather than the depreciated value.
But is replacement cost worth it, Julie?
I mean, if you love your stuff, it totally is. For just a few extra bucks a month, replacement cost coverage could help you have peace of mind knowing that in the event of a loss, you won't just get back a portion of what it costs to replace your stuff. And the best part is, you can add it anytime, anywhere, right from your Toggle account. And honestly, I think you're worth it.